Hey there, Dan Scanish, your resident do-it-yourselfer. I enjoyed this kind of stuff, troubleshooting and trying to figure out what exactly was wrong with my oven. I'll show you. Here's my Samsung oven. There you go. You can see it. And it's 6 years old, a little dirty there, needs to be cleaned up. But anyway, I couldn't find the model number, couldn't find the make number. All I know is I got it in 2016. Of course, I didn't keep the paperwork, just like not organized. But anyway, this is my first video trying to assess the issue here. The oven will not ignite. I press it on, bake, and then put it at 350. My kids want some cookies, and we can't make the cookies. The igniter's not lighting the gas, so it's been having some problems lately, but just yesterday it just wouldn't come on at all. So I figured, let me take it apart. I took it apart. The lighter, or the igniter, definitely was worn out. Ordered a $30 part from Amazon. I hope it's the right one. It looks the same, so it should be okay. But anyway, so here's the deal. I'll show you. I'll talk you through it. But basically, got to do a little cleaning. You'll see what a mess behind there. 6 years of mess. I'm going to get to the cleaning of that. You'll be able to hear me and see me at times. So anyway, bear with me as I clean. Cleaning this area because I'm gonna have to lay down in it, and I haven't pulled stuff out here, so it really needs to be cleaned up. So we'll get this taken care of shortly.